You've been learning to code for months, maybe even years, but it still looks like your progress is slow. You finish a tutorial, start a real project, and suddenly you're like, wait, is my code actually good? Or is it just working by accident? There is one thing that fixes that. And no, it's not another course or a new framework. It's code review. Getting real feedback on your code from another human, or not human, because even AI feedback counts as long as it makes you rethink what you wrote. Reason 1. It's not about fixing bugs. It's about writing better code. A reviewer doesn't just check if it runs. They look at how you wrote it. They'll ask things like, is it readable? Would someone else understand it? Could this be simpler? That kind of feedback changes how you think about coding, not just how you type. Reason 2. Real-world standards. Tutorials teach you syntax. Reviews teach you reality. Naming things clearly, keeping structure clean, writing code that someone can come back to 6 months later and still understands. Reason 3. Developing pace. You start to feel the difference between code that's elegant and code that just barely holds together. And once you see it, you can't unsee it. Reason 4. Learning by reading. You see how others solve the same problem differently. And that expands your mental library faster than any tutorial binge. Reason 5. Real teamwork. Reviews stimulate what it's like to work in a real team. Small pull requests, constructive discussions, past plus. It's the stuff tutorials never show you.
His comment explains nothing!
Self-explanatory code, I don't need comments!
Then why is the function 200 lines long?
Yeah, great job, future! You will totally remember.
So, how do you start? If you don't have a team yet, try a self-review. Put your code aside for a day. Then, read it like it's not yours. Ask yourself, are the names clear? What happens with bad input? Can it be shorter or clearer? Then, share a small snippet online. Or run it through an AI reviewer and ask, what would you change? You'll be surprised how quickly your eye for quality improves. And one more thing, when you do get feedback, don't take it personally. It's not an attack. If someone points out a better way, that's a win. Don't defend every line of your code just because it's yours. The fastest way to improve is to stay open, even when it stinks a little. And in next videos, I'll show you where to get free code reviews from real developers, how to use AI tools to review and improve your own code, and how to learn by analyzing other people's code, even before you have a team of your own. If that sounds useful, hit subscribe, because the fastest way to learn programming isn't just about writing more code, it's about understanding it better.